Welcome back, guys. It's me, Mr. Frederick, once again. Here, we're going to get into what is graphing the line with giving points and the slope. So, how do you graph a line when they give you this? When they give you a point when they give you a point already, and they give you the slope already. Okay. So, the best way to do that, we're gonna plug in everything that we have into this slope intercept form. We're gonna look for b. Okay. Okay. So let's do this. So we got y equals mx plus b. So this is our y. So y is -1 equals our m, which is -2, our x, which is 2, plus b. So we're going to have -1 equals -4 plus b. Now to have the b alone, we're going to have to add this 4 on both sides, which will leave the b alone. So -1 plus 4 is actually +3. So b is 3. So the formula will be like this now. Y is equal to -2x plus 3. So now we already have 1 point already. We could graph that to -1. That's here. The slope is negative, so we expect it to be going down. So let's plug in with a table. Just continue having that here. So we already know that if we put 2, it gives us -1. So let's see. Let's put 3 and let's put 4 and see what happens. So if I put 3, -2 times 3. Let me see, let's do that. Let me write that over here. -2 times 3 plus 3. That'd be -6. -6 plus 3. That'd be -3. Okay, so the y will be -3. Okay, -6 plus 3 is gonna, since the -6 is a high absolute value, it's like subtracting from 3, it's just -3. All right, let's do -2 from 4 plus 3. So that'd be -8 plus 3. So that would be similar to that would be -5. So now let's put these points. So we got -2, 1. We got 2 and -1. Now we're going to have 3 and -3 right here. And 4. Yeah, actually, I gotta redo that. This is not. Yeah, this isn't. This is 1, not 2. All right, let me fix that. Good. This is 2, 1. See, 2, 1, 3, 4, 5. -1, -2, -3, -4, and -5. Very important to mark down your graph. Now let's put it together. 2 and -1, 3 and -3, and 4 and -5. Okay. So then when I draw the line does move in a negative slope like that. Okay? So that's how you graph a line when you're only given the point and the slope. Okay? Take care. This is Mr. Frederick out.